Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, you know we have done so many numbers. Anyone tell me the last number which we did? The number is 14. क्या है बच्चों 14 के बाद क्या आता है? Can you recall that? 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes. So today we will learn about the number 15. As you know, we have started two-digit number and the 15 number is also a two-digit number. This is how look like number 15. So let's see the number 15 on page number 28. This is number 15. This is number 15. Dear students, let's trace with finger. 1 and then 5. It's make 15. And now let's see the picture. We see 15 bees. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very nice. We have 15 bees.